Why should you, a typical person, care about the health of the environment? You have your own job, your own family, and your own personal interests. So why should you take the time to concern yourself with environmental issues that appear to have no effect on your everyday life?
Let's take a look forward to the year 2100 by looking at the life of your now grown-up grandson or daughter. The average global temperature has increased by approximately 4 degrees Celsius, and this dramatic increase has caused the sea levels to rise 6 feet. If he or she is one of the 700 million people, 10% of the world's population that lives in a coastal area, they and millions of others will no longer have a house to call their own. This increase in temperature has also plunged 40% of the Earth's habitable regions into severe drought, which has resulted in widespread famine and increased food prices around the globe. And while the world's largest cities like Manhattan, Los Angeles, Shanghai, Tokyo, and Mumbai are underwater, reliable sources of fresh water are unavailable to a significant portion of the population.
And the worst part is that the global temperature is expected to rise not by 4 degrees, but by 6.